Welcome to the Educators Gulshan Campus 3. I'm Miss Sanya and this is your English class. Open your English textbook. Today we are going to read our Unit 2, Earth Day. Warm-up activity. What do you call the place we live on? Yes, we called it Earth. Do you know what is its shape? The Earth's shape is round. Why is this a world such a beautiful place? I will tell you. The earth is a wonderful place because it has trees, mountains, river, animals, birds, and above all of them there is a life and the human being. So let's read our unit. So let's read our chapter, The Earth. Earth is a unique planet on which we live. On 22nd April, we celebrate Earth Day and thank God. It is a day to remind ourselves how trees help us and how we ought to act more responsibility towards them. Do you know 10,000 years ago, over 50% of our land was covered with forests? Today, while 30% is still covered, only 1/5 of the original natural forest remains. Kids' power is awesome. Let each one of us strive and make our earth greener and a better place to live. Let each of us take a pledge to plant a tree on every Earth Day. So, take a pledge to plant a tree on every Earth Day. Save water. Turn off the tap while you brush teeth or wash your face. Turn it on to rinse. Conserve electricity. Switch off all the lights and fans when you leave a room. Do not litter. Throw waste in the dustbin. Request a municipal authorities to keep colonies, market, parks and roads clean by providing more dustbins. Use utensils. Use silent generators to reduce noise and air pollution. So these are the points that you have to take care on every Earth Day and as well as in our day-to-day life. Move on to the next page. Remind your parent to get their vehicle checked for maintenance so that pollution can be controlled. Try riding bicycle while traveling short distance. Use carpools or public transport to travel small distance. Use paper and cloth bags for shopping and say no to plastic bags. Serve only as much food as you can eat so that you do not have to throw away any. And if you have excess, give it to poor people so that they can eat. Save paper for doing rough schoolwork. Use backside of already used papers. Use water after washing fruits and vegetables to water plants in your garden. Next time it rains, collect some rainwater in the bucket. Use it later to wash your car, cycle, or to water plant. There is still hope and time to correct the wrong that has been done to our earth. 3 cheers to all those who believe in this beautiful project. So students, here is your homework. Tick the right answer, read the sentences and choose the correct answer. What do you know about our planet Earth? Fill in the blank to get your answers. Read these sentences carefully and write down your correct answers.